Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craft with Sheena. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding party outfit collection and mother of the bride dresses designs. Beautiful, latest, gorgeous, outstanding designer articles and beautiful, outstanding, amazing and very creative big designer dress collection. So one by one beautiful, latest, outstanding designs. You can watch this video. It's a very beautiful, amazing, latest fashion ideas like this. And this one's a very stylish and amazing, outstanding dresses. Like we are exploring the most beautiful party wear dresses, elegant mother of the bride gowns, and sophisticated bridesmaid dresses, and classy semi-formal outfits that are trending in the United States and across the fashion world in 2026. These stunning designs are created for women who love graceful fashion, modern glamour, and expensive looking style that never go out of trend. From soft pastel evening gowns to rich luxurious fabrics, sparkling details, elegant silhouettes, and designer inspired looks, every outfit in this collection represents confidence, beauty, and timeless elegance. Fashion is no longer just about clothing, it has become a lifestyle, a personal brand, and powerful way for women to express creativity, class, and individually in every moment of life. Every elegant dress tells a story of confidence, beauty, and timeless style. In a world where fashion changes every season, classy and sophisticated outfits continue to remain the true symbol of luxury and grace. Women today we are choosing styles that look elegant, refined, and effortlessly beautiful instead of overly complicated fashion trend. From luxurious satin gowns to sparkling embellished dresses, soft pastel formal wear, and modern designer inspired outfits, every fashion piece reflects personality, confidence, and individuality. The beauty of elegant fashion is that it never loses its charm, whether someone is attending a wedding, a formal dinner at an engagement party, or a special celebration. The right dress can completely transform the way a woman feels about herself. Fashion is not just about looking beautiful for others, it is also about feeling strong, confident, stylish, and comfortable in your own personality. The online fashion industry is growing faster than never before, and social media platforms are creating life changing opportunities for creativity people around the world. Many successful fashion creators started with simple outfit videos, styling, inspiration, or wedding fashion content and later transformed their passion into profitable online business. Today, elegant dress inspired inspiration, wedding fashion trends, luxury styling videos, and beauty focused content attract millions of viewers every day because people love discovering new styles, classy looks, and modern fashion ideas online. Luxury fashion brands, beauty companies, online boutiques, and lifestyle business spend large over advertising budget in this niche, which is why fashion and lifestyle content after has high CPM and strong earning potential on YouTube. With the consistency, creativity, and quality visuals, fashion creators can build loyal audience, grow personal brand, collaborate with business, and turn their channels into successful digital careers. And modern luxury fashion is now focused on online beauty, soft elegance, and sophisticated simplicity. Trends like quiet luxury, minimalist glamour, old money, aesthetics, and classy evening fashion are becoming increasingly popular because people are searching for styles that feel graceful and expensive without being overly flashy. Elegant women's fashion is 2026 is all about clean design, beautiful fabric, confident styling, and refined details that create a polished and luxurious appearance. Fashion is becoming more than entertainment. It is becoming inspiration, confidence, and even motivation for women who want to improve their personal style and impress themselves beautifully. The most unforgettable outfits are often the ones that combine simplicity, elegance, and confidence together in the most natural way. True beauty shines brightest when fashion reflects confidence, kindness, sophistications, and timeless grace. Luxury fashion is more than beautiful dresses and elegant fabric. It is a reflection of confidence, ambition, creativity, and modern lifestyle. In today's world, women are embracing classy fashion that looks timeless, graceful, and sophisticated instead of following short term Trends that quickly disappear. Elegant evening gowns, stylish party dresses, bridesmaid outfits, and mother of the bride fashion are becoming more popular than ever because women want to feel confident, beautiful, and refined at every special event. From rich satin texture and sparkling embellishments to soft natural colors and flowing silhouette, every elegant outfit creates a powerful fashion statement that feels luxurious and unforgettable. Fashion has become a way for women to express personality and self-respect and confidence while creating memorable moments during weddings, celebrations, formal dinners, and important occasions. The digital fashion industry is creating endless online business opportunities for content creators. Fashion influencers, designers, and boutiques owners around the world, millions of people search online every day for wedding outfit inspiration. Luxury dresses, dress trends, styling ideas, beauty aesthetics, and classy fashion collections because fashion content is highly visual, entertaining, and emotionally inspiring. YouTube channels that focus on elegant dresses, luxury styling, timeless fashion trends, and sophisticated women outfit often attract audience interested in shopping, beauty, weddings, and premium lifestyle products. This makes the fashion niche highly valuable for advertisers, online stores. So friends, it's a very beautiful, amazing, timeless elegance never goes out of style because true fashion is built on confidence, simplicity and grace rather than temporary attention. Modern women are now choosing quick luxury, classy, minimalist and sophisticated fashion that feels polished, expensive and naturally beautiful. The most admired outfits are often those that combine elegance with comfort and confidence in the most effortless way. Fashion trends may change every year, but classy style continues to remain powerful because it represents self-confidence, maturity, and refined beauty. Whether it is a glamorous wedding event, an elegant engagement party, or a luxurious evening celebration, the perfect dress can create unforgettable memories and inspire confidence that shines brighter than any trend. Elegant fashion is not simply about appearance, it is about carrying yourself with grace, positivity, and timeless beauty in every stage of life. All ideas is very creative, very unique, and very outstanding. And one by one, gorgeous, stylish ideas. You can watch this video. So, viewers, as you see these designs, it's a very beautiful, amazing, very unique, and demanding articles. So, keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, grace and greatest designer party outfit collection. Beautiful, latest, outstanding designs. Most beautiful, amazing, very creative, latest, stylish, semi-formal dresses collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. All dresses is very big designer collection, designer articles like this one the very amazing and very beautiful dress, and this is a very perfect collection and very neat and very outstanding embroidery, beaded embroidery and lace fabric collection, elegant and very stylish, unique, different semi-formal and wedding gown dress designs. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for support my channel. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very beautiful latest and stylish dress articles, dress designs. Most beautiful and very trending latest big designer articles. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much.